In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Roblox No Sound driver error. If you've been frustrated by a lack of sound when trying to play Roblox, you're definitely not alone. Let's walk through the steps that will help get your game sounding as it should. Before we dive in, ensure your computer sound is turned on, and the volume is set to an audible level, as this simple check can sometimes be overlooked in the midst of troubleshooting. First, let's make sure your sound drivers are up to date, as they can often be the root cause of sound issues. To do this, we're going to check for updates on your operating system. On a Windows machine, head over to the Device Manager by typing it into the search bar and hitting Enter. Once you're there, find the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section. Click the arrow to expand, and you should see a list of your sound devices. Choose your primary audio device, right-click, and select Update Driver. An option will pop up asking if you want to search automatically or browse your computer for drivers. Choose to search automatically for updated driver software. Your system will now search for any new drivers and install them if necessary. After updating your drivers, let's check the sound settings within Roblox itself. Open Roblox and join any game. Once the game loads, navigate to the Settings menu inside the game. This can typically be done by hitting the ESC key or by clicking on the menu icon, usually located at the bottom or top right of the screen, depending on your interface. Inside the Settings menu, ensure that the volume slider is set to the desired level, and double-check that it's not muted. If after adjusting the settings in Roblox you still don't hear any sound, it could be due to the computer's internal sound settings. Head back to your desktop, right-click on the sound icon located in the system tray at the bottom right corner. Select Open Sound Settings. Here, ensure your output device is set correctly. This should be the speakers or headphones you are using. Scroll down to Advanced Sound Options, and click on App Volume and Device Preferences. Make sure the output for Roblox is set to your desired playback device. As one final check, restarting both Roblox and your computer can refresh settings and often resolves many issues. So, save your work, close the applications, and restart your computer for good measure. Upon rebooting, open Roblox again to see if the sound problem has been resolved. These steps should have hopefully fixed the sound error, allowing you to enjoy Roblox with a fully functional audio experience. If none of these solutions work, consider reaching out to the Roblox support team for further assistance, as there might be an underlying issue that needs individual attention. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming!